Okay, so we got a new headset in, so we're going to need to mount it. I got these Velcro-ish type connectors here that I got off Amazon. I'm going to test those out today. And I'm going to test out the headset holder too. So it does come with some adhesive backing strips, but I like those Velcro-y ones better just in case you want to take it off or adjust it or something like that. I'm just going to use the Velcro ones that I got separately from this. So you can see it does have the section where it tells you to put the strips. And it's nice. It's got a nice soft rubbery kind of feel to it. It's going to match the gray on the headphones really nicely. And we're going to put it like right here. I'm just going to stick them on there all together. I think it goes on there just like that. Now the Velcro, the non-hook side here. Go ahead and just put that on there like that. Alright, so it's ready to stick. So you can see, actually I should have put these Velcro things the other way because there's space up here that I didn't utilize. And I imagine that's what it was designed for, to kind of hold these little tabs and hide them. So I might end up switching these around just so it looks a little bit better. So it's hidden back here behind this. So don't make that mistake. Don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure you flip these around and put them this way, not below. But let's see if the Velcro works. Okay, so obviously it's probably a little overkill putting all 4 of these on here, but you can see hangs the headphones really well. It's going to keep them nice because it's a rubber. And, you know, not too much to say about it. It's a headphone holder, so what can you say? It works. It holds the headphone. It comes with everything you need. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.